So right now we're in Whitestown. That's like the town over from where Island Milady, as you guys can see. We're expected to get how many more inches, Jason?
Another 7.
We're expected to get another 7 inches. This is crazy. Indiana hasn't seen this much snow for like ever. Okay, I'm gonna close the window because that's, yeah, not that bold. Every time we use the windshield wipers, whatever's left on the windshield ends up freezing up. Hey guys, so I'm at the UPS here near town and I'm gonna like mail my giveaways to my subscribers and my friends. I wasn't able to a few days ago. The weather's gotten really bad here in Indiana. My mask is coming off. So I'm gonna go mail these. This is how much I care about everybody, you know, through the snow apocalypse. There you go, guys. And the snow is getting, it's accumulating fast. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's a cold one. Okay. Oh my goodness. I did it. I got it. I got my stuff shipped. That was so crazy. So I'm outside right now in the neighborhood I live in and everything is just covered in snow. Yep, Indiana's getting a snowstorm.